We formed this little 4-hour fair value gap right here. External liquidity taken. High probability retrace into this. And maybe if we find some bullish structure on the lower time frames, I'll go long and target the high day. ES just not pulling back at all and just going, making new highs at every single moment. NASDAQ traded back into that 4-hour fair value gap. All right, we just left the fair value gap on both indices. Maybe I can try to frame a trade on NQ because ES is extremely bullish, showing strength, but just I can't find a target for my trade, so I'm not gonna enter a trade without a target. NQ, probably just target the highs. NQ formed this order block up here. I don't know if this one is gonna hold. I'll probably just mark the bottom one. And also this fair value gap we got. An entry right around here would be best, 50% on the fib, targeting the high of day, which is 52 points. This order block right here is holding though, but I don't want to take a trade off of that. I want to see it fail. You know, hopefully, there we go. We got to dig back in. Trading into the fair value gap right now. ES doing the same. Instant bounce. So what I want to do now is, you know, usually, ideally, price doesn't just trade into the fair value gap one time. It'll take that low again. And hopefully that's what I get. You get a nice entry. But it's moving a little too fast. Different entry than the one planned. I don't think we're gonna tap back into this fair value gap is the reason why, because of order flow entry drill. And yeah, it's still over 300 profit potential. Probably gonna take partials right here. This was a 5-minute fair value gap on NQ. Not a bad spot. NASDAQ coming back into this inversion fair value gap. Yeah, really nice reaction. I just don't like ES really. How we're just double tops right there. Okay, nice moves. Coming up to my partial, I'll mark it out one. I don't like what's going on right here, but we could take that low. Maybe get a little something like this, break just a bit lower, and then finally make our move up. ES, which was the stronger indice, is violating bullish PD arrays. And I'm probably gonna get stopped out now. I kind of want my stop to be down here, but that's not the risk that I first signed up for, so I'm not gonna move my stop. But I really believe that we're, yep. Okay. Maybe we'll see what happens once we hit this OB. If we do, see if it respects it. And maybe enter on another trade. I still like the long out of this, out of NQ. And this would be way better entry, way better risk reward. Yeah, way better risk reward than my last trade, almost double. But I still need to see more. And then we got ES dropping, reacting from a bearish fair value gap. And NQ's in that bearish one as well. I'm not really convinced on this short. Like, ES is going down, but this could be possible retracement, and NQ just decided to move first. I'm seeing structure I mean, little fair value gaps on this 15-second chart. Oh yeah, we're moving. I decided to go long. NQ trading back into this bearish fair value gap, becoming an inversion play right now. Probably could have entered there. That would have been way better. But I might be offsides, and if I am, this is my last trade. It's ES, you take a look at ES, it's going straight down. But maybe we tap into here and then start moving up again. Okay, so we actually have a 15-minute fair value gap on ES traded into, and I think it's reacting nicely. NQ's moving now. There we go. This is what I like to see. Let's see how much this would give me. 15 points, and then probably take another off right there. That 1 minute fair value gap. It's a little choppy today. And then I'll just last 3, get rid of them up there. All right, partial's been hit. I'm kind of just waiting to see what it does. I might close out completely here, or I might take a partial. I kind of want like a fast move up. I'm just gonna get out one right there. Kind of in this area is where I got out. Second partial out at the 1 minute fair value gap. And now I'm moving my stop loss up to break even. All right, it looks good on the higher time frames. Heading towards that high right there, external, internal, back to external, and maybe leave a runner for somewhere up there. I'm gonna go ahead and set my limit orders right at the high. I'm not gonna get greedy. Wait. Okay. That's weird. It's super delayed. Oh no, MNQ's high was like 2 points higher than the NQ chart. All right, here's my quantile with my executions. First trade, 5 micros, lost $147. And in my last trade, these 2 lots, 2 micros, covered that entire loss and then some. That's it for today's video, guys. Sorry for the late upload. I also noticed while editing this video that I never showed how much I made, so here it is. $604 on the last trade. Subtract the first loss of $295, and that leaves me with a profit of $309. Before I wrap this up, I want to remind you guys that both Bulanox and Apex are running an 80% off lifetime discount on their funded account evaluations. I'm currently trading multiple accounts with them, and I highly recommend you sign up for a prop firm if you're new to trading futures and or have limited capital. The codes and links will be in the description below. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked it, comment, subscribe to get the latest updates, and I'll see y'all in the next one.